Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. Here this first page of settings like this. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. If you find updates here, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.